At pala nung talaga nagtitiis. Mahal lang kasi ako. Oh, hindi. Kain sa...
Hey guys, I just got home from our house in Bulacan. And first thing that I need to do is put the leftovers sa fridge. Meron akong tatlong choco butternut dito, yung isa may kagat na. I also got dumplings. Nabawasan siya kasi may nakita kami mga pusa sa daan. Ayan. Yung galgokso hindi ko naubos kasi meron siyang kasamang glass noodles. Eh, may kasama pa siyang kanin. Tapos meron kaming dumplings na in-order. Tapos tig-isa kami ng soup. And then, kailangan ko magpalit ng punta kasi 2 weeks na ako din nagpa-perm. I have to put this back to work mode kasi dito kami kumain nung Friday na nandito yung family ko. Actually, hindi ako sure. Dapat ba may dining table ako? Dapat ba wala na tong area na to? Pero dito yung microwave ko. Saan ko ito lalagay? Siguro may shelf dapat ako dito. Diyan na lang yung microwave. Tapos may dining area ako dito. Kasi every time kailangan ko kumain, kumakain ako habang nagtatrabaho or sabay daw ako kumakain, which is not a good idea. Comment down below if you think I should get a dining area. It's finally clean in this house. Pero malis naman siya to begin with. Kasi naglinis ako bago umalis. Pero ito, nabalik ko na yung monitor tsaka yung laptop ko. It's currently 3 AM and matutulog na ako kasi I still have work later. Lord, sana magising. Ayoko na sana matulog kasi feeling ko di ako magigising. Pero kailangan ko matulog. I still don't have a stable wifi kasi nagloloko pa rin yung Globe. And mabagal yung smart. So, di ko na alam kung saan ako lulugar. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully, umaga. Hey guys, I just got off from work and it's currently 3 PM and I haven't had my lunch yet. So, magluto muna ako ng lunch. And I think I only had chichirya, oatmeal, Energen. Haven't had coffee yet. I don't think I'm going to have coffee anymore because I won't be able to sleep. This is my go-to marinade para hindi na ako gumawa ng sarili ko and it's very convenient. Wow, ang ganda niya sa camera. Let's eat. Hindi lahat to I-meal prep ko lang. Makain na ako sa wakas. Get ready with me because I'm going to get my laundry and then I'm going to get a few things for champorado. I'm not really sure if I should get the box thing or just get individual ingredients so I can cook it later on. Pero kasi feeling ko pag ganun, marami dapat yung kakain. I'm just cooking for one. So, let's see. For my sunscreen, I'm using Lux Organics. This one. Dati yung pump type yung ginagamit ko. Pero ngayon, nag-switch na ako. Kasi mas mataas yung SPF nan. And I use it mainly for running. Then, for my blush, I'm using Vice Cosmetics. The Dew It All in the shade Always Vibe It. For my lips, I'm going to use the color Drop on the Daily in the shade Lolly Pink. This is also from Vice Cosmetics. Mura lang to, guys. I use this at the bottom of yung bottom layer ng lip product kasi just in case matanggal na yung lipstick ko, meron pa rin kulay yung labi ko. Lip sunscreen from Lux Organics din. My lipstick is from Issey, yung lip bullet nila. Wallet, susi. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Hey guys, I just got home from the grocery. Let's do a haul. So first things first, ito yung nasa pinakataas. Ariel. This is what I use pag nagpapalaundry. Nagbibigay lang akong isang ganito. 6 pieces to, so 6 na load. I think that would last me 3 months. Kasi nakakadalawang pa-laundry lang ako every month. And of course, yung pinunta natin, nagbasa yung payong ko sa eco bag. So, gutay-gutay na siya. This is the Champorado from White King. Up to 5 bowls. I also got things for my overnight oats. Na-try ko na to dati and it didn't stick. Pero itatry ko siya ulit ngayon. Normally, I would buy these on Shopee. Pero kung bibilin ko pa sila sa online, pagdating nila, ayoko na sa kanila. Ito, chia seeds. Ang dami nito. Yung binibili ko dati, maliit lang. Tapos hindi ko siya nauubos. I also didn't get yogurt. Habang nasa pila ako, tinitingnan ko yung mga yung mga ingredients. Tapos wala akong biniling yogurt kasi wala din akong interest bumili ng yogurt for daily use. Ang mahal niya. So, nisip ko, okay lang ba? Pero okay lang din naman daw, sabi sa internet. At lahat ng nasa internet ay totoo. I also got, syempre, yung oats for overnight oats. Kailangan rolled oats. Hindi talaga ako hilig sa oatmeal. Pero kasi, nag-try ako mag-instant oats kanina. Tapos nagustuhan ko naman siya. So, maybe I could give this a try para lang madali yung breakfast. I also got honey. Ayoko talaga siya bilhin kasi ang mahal niya. This like 250 pesos or 220. Around that price. For this tiny amount of honey. I also got milk. Ang tagal ko na itong hindi nakikita sa grocery, nakakainis. I tried Arla, tapos hindi ko siya na nagustuhan. Feeling ko kasi biased na ako. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa coffee ko and may difference talaga siya compared sa ibang milk. I also got granola from Nestle. I just wanted, texture. Kasi hindi ko masyadong bet yung texture ng oatmeal. Yung pagka-sticky, mushy. I don't know if I could do a better one this time. Sana para makain ko to lahat. I also got something from Shopee. I got coffee. Got this. Meron pa ako kaya maliit lang yung binili ko. Sinabay ko lang kasi bumili ako nito. This is so much cheaper when you buy it from Shopee. I think 400 something to sa grocery. 430. I put 1 teaspoon of this and 1 teaspoon of this. Add sugar, milk. So sarap. Magbaba na ako ng coffee bukas. So, saya ko na dumating siya. Umabot siya kasi wala na ako nitong gold. Okay lang din naman na ito lang. Dati ito lang talaga. Pero na-discover ko to. Ang sarap. So, the total of everything that I got from the grocery is 1,139.5. Oh, mahal. I was just supposed to buy milk. Pero nahihirapan na ako mag-agahan. And breakfast is the most important part of the day. Anyway, ang gagawin ko, magluluto akong champorado. Let's go. Boil together 5 cups of water, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1 pack White King champorado mix. Stir occasionally for 8 minutes. Pwede bang kalahati lang? Tingin ko hindi ko siya mabuti. I think that's 1/4. Gagi, ang dami asukal yun na. Kalahati nito. Paano yun? Kalahati. Wish me luck. Ang dami asukal nun. This is what we're working with. Parang ang dami ng tubig. Pero baka makuha pa yan ng malagkit mamaya. We're almost there. I still think it's a bit watery. Here's my champorado.
For us to venture on different aspects.
Oo nga. Yung may dinang
Gabi na. Gabong pusin, tapos umagahan ko pusin, saka sa lahat ng mga.
Yan. Sabi favorite. Sabay side ko eh.
The return of an old friend will bring great joy. Ang old friend.
Arriving at Lugarda Station. Papaluin na sa Lugarda Station.
Isang valid ID. Sana maibig.
Who is that? Wow. Weird, no?
Pwede ba? Samahan
May
mo,
Lawson
tanungin tayo
na.
ng ano.
Tara. What?
Oo, may...
What? Parang delikado dito. Exercise.
Okay.
Wow.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Sabihin ko sana ubus na. Ubus na yung pag-aay ko.
Punta ba?
Nahalo naman. Gusto ko yung kayo.
Sino?